Hello! Welcome back to another episode of the wonderful weaving world of Fena Barbitall. That's me. Today we're going to explore the incredible era, the 70s, the 80s, the punk movement. I'm going to show you exactly how to style some messy punky hair. This style is great for just letting it all loose on stage, something you can really bang around, a lot of hairography. Your tools for today are going to include metal combed hairbrush, your teasing brush, scissors, and most importantly, hairspray. A good, solid freezing spray. There's no real rules to doing a punk rock wig. It's not clean, it's not smoothed out and beautiful. It's really just kind of all over the place. But I like it to have character. And to do that, I add some random knotting and teasing. It's not a traditional tease where you're brushing the root and then brushing it out. This is going to be almost like you're creating a rat's nest on top of your head. Like I said, character. This is important. It should say something. When you walk out on stage or when you walk out in public, you want this wig to say to people, hey, she might spit on me. I know that I like my wig to kind of cascade on one side, kind of like a Cyndi Lauper style or Divine. So I'll take the whole top section. And like I said, this does not have to be clean, it just has to have character. I'll take this whole top section, a big chunk, and I will just dive right in, back combing, and back combing. And sometimes if I'm in a rush, I'll literally just do this to the top. And I kind of like that. Like even just like that, adding that to the wig gives it some sort of like character, but we're gonna do a little bit more. Taking another chunk. Normally with a teasing a wig, you would take smaller chunks. As Jinx Monsoon once said, we are not teasing the wig, we're pissing it off. This is also why it's good to use an older wig because there's some built up grime. What I like to call grime, old hairspray and, a lot of wear and tear. Sometimes a wig that's right out of the bag is too silky and too fresh. So this is a great hairstyle if you're looking to revamp an old wig or breathe life into something right before you toss it in the trash. So I love doing these little sort of character spikes in the front. And once we get in there with hairspray, we can really manipulate them. Oh, look at that. It's beautiful. I'm looking in the mirror here and I'm like, I want to wear this. I might wear this for a video. Would you guys love that? Now we're going to go in with the hairspray. Ooh, look at that volume. To secure teasing that we've done, I like to go in, pick out the roots, and really spray and soak the roots and kind of gather the hair. This acts like a glue. It also works with just regular teasing. If you're doing a nice brush up, this helps to really glue the sections together. Because if you spray all the hairspray on the ends right away, what is it gonna do? It's gonna weigh the hair down and you're not gonna get that lift. This helps to freeze the tease. All right, now that we've gone and we have frozen the roots. Now you remember these little knotty things that I did? Just pick it up, spray, and pull it out. See? And you get these, it's very like Phyllis Diller at first, but you have to kind of trust the process. And I say, wigs are never really ever finished. What we're doing is sculptural. We are sculpting the hair I'm picking up wefting on the sides. So what I'm gonna do is take my teasing comb, the little pointy end, and I'm going to manipulate the hair forward. Because this is plastic synthetic hair, with the hairspray in it, it's pretty easy to manipulate forward, just like that. And this side looks pretty clean because all the hair is coming from this side. So we were gonna get a little bit of track visibility on the side. But now we've disguised it, and we're going to position the bang, longer side pieces of the bang here. I don't know if it picks up on camera, but we get those little droplets of hairspray on the hair. And in order for that to look smooth, you just either take the brush or you can take the pointed end and just smooth it out. And there we have it. This hair would be perfect to just throw on and walk out the door. It's also like great if you're trying to block somebody behind you from being able to see in the movie theater. When I do a wig like this and I wear it myself, it gets a lot of movement. It gets a lot of it gets jostled everywhere. So usually every time I put it on my head, I have to zhuzh, spray, and kind of let it set. So it's not, I mean, traditionally punk hair is just whatevs. But if you want it to always come back to a specific look, it is important to zhuzh. But the hairspray, watch, keeps it pretty intact. Well, wasn't that wonderful? If you followed the instructions from today, I want to know about it. I want to see the pictures, tag me. I want to see the videos, tag me in those. Comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.